Hello, my name is Matt. I recently purchased the Ham Radio Prep online study guide. I purchased the Technician and the General. I have studied through the Technician for about a month and took my exam this past Saturday and passed it. It's actually very helpful. It starts out with your what you need to understand, and it has lessons 1 through 22. And as you go through each lesson, there's a video followed by the written material. It tells you what to look for and what to study, and then it's followed by an exam. If you don't do well on that practice test, you can take it over, as many times as you want. This course is actually well worth your money. It'll save you the time and headache. Plus, you can go online and download on your phone. They have an app, and you can sync it with your computer. So if you're at work and you're on a break and you want to study, you can also study there. And it gives you everything you need to pass the test. When I went and took the exam in person, the questions were exactly word for word for what I had studied. So there was no difference between what I studied and what the exam was. And I just took me not even 5 minutes to go through the test and finish it and pass it. So if I can do it, you can do it. It's a lot of fun and it's easy. And I hope you find this video helpful.